say big and bad, wake up this man with a vibe, burning some trees from first night. They don't know the thing set, you know. And music we say, nothing else, music. So I'm gonna pick up the word boss now when you see me alone, don't pick already. Straight. Yeah, hear me I say big and bad and straight. Me make a video idea about me skitty. And I don't know, it I get a couple of views, but I really don't think I forget views, you know. I just show you say a piece you want and love. You see the man where I follow up me skitty. If me skitty want to put on false body, false breast, a fear body, brother. Anything where the woman they want to do with themselves, I feed them. You know, God to judge them. That's what I say. And Miss Kitty have some good points when she make about relationship and I don't lie the woman at them. Yeah, woman talk the truth because enough man depend on woman to do everything. You see me I say, and the woman go to work hard. Just the same like how woman depend on man to work hard and sit on a yard. You see what I say? So Kitty, you're not wrong, you're right. Some man to go and love Miss Kitty Rasta and start follow up the woman, and some woman to go and love Miss Kitty Rasta. You look at the life of Miss Kitty, you know. No matter what you do, Kitty have come from far and the people are always love her. Beautiful Miss Kitty. Respect is due. You see what I say? Some of them nobody don't respect them, so them don't respect nobody. You see what I say? Fluffy diva to the world, Miss Kitty. What you mean? Go and do your thing, yeah. Make bad mind go on. Talk. You can't stop you, Miss Kitty. You are the boss. You tell her that. Yeah. La. Straight, Miss Kitty.